Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So first make a cone shape using this green paper. Now we are going to make the stars. So cut a small strip of paper, fold all of them, overlap each other, and look, your star is ready. Make more such stars and paste all of them on the cone using double-sided tape. You can also use different shades of green like this, add more glitters, and it's done. Fold this red craft paper and make this cone shape. After this, further fold it like this, flip it, again fold it like we're doing here. Now we are going to draw the eyes and it's done. First we are going to fold this square paper and make this triangular shape like we are doing here. Again we are making crease here. Now press it like we are doing. Again fold it and make more such shapes and tuck all of them one after another like this, and you have to make the star shape. Similarly make two such shapes and look, your Christmas tree is ready. We are going to take this square shaped paper. You can take a crepe paper or a tissue paper. Now fold it from its center part and then from its sides as well. After this, we are going to fold it further and make this star shape at the center. Now we are going to press all the petals and you will see this design. Now flip the paper and again fold it like this. Gently fold it from its corners like this. Similar way, we are going to fold the center part as well like this, and do the same from all the petals. Flip it again and open all the corners like this. After this, we are going to open the corners again from this side as well, and look, it's ready. Here we are going to take a printed craft paper, fold and make a triangular shape. Now gently open it like this. Again fold it from its corners like we are doing here and tuck the paper inside like this. From both its sides we are going to make a mini boat. Open it from its center and it's ready. Here we are going to take this printed paper. You can also take a normal paper. Now fold it and make 5 such pieces. Tie it at the center using rubber band. You can also take a thread in place of this. Now we are going to pull all the petals upwards like this. So we are going to pull it one after another and make a beautiful rose shape. Now curl the petals using a stick and look, it's ready. Put the leaves and look, it's done. Take a paper, fold it from its sides like this. Now we are going to again open it and fold it. We are making crease here. Make 2 such boxes. Now open it and fold it and make a box like this. Now we are going to take this green color of box. We are going to make the drawer using this. So fold it from its sides like this. Gently open it and press it like we are doing here, and look, your drawer is ready. Now put it inside the box and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.